Dear student, today I am going to teach you about rational numbers for class 8. Rational number, all of you, as you know, rational number means what? The number of the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and P and Q is not equal to 0. So, thus I am defining what do you mean by rational number. Number in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. That is called rational number. Now, what in rational number, especially we have to know that what are rational numbers? What are rational numbers? First of all, we have to know what are rational numbers. Then, how to find rational numbers between any two rational number. How to find rational number between any two rational numbers. Next, how to plot rational numbers on number line. Means plotting of rational number on number lines. And next one is that properties of rational number. Properties of rational numbers. Or in this chapter, we have to know what are rational numbers first of all. What are rational numbers? How to find rational number between any two rational number? How to plot the rational numbers on number line? And properties of rational numbers we have to study. Now, before that, a little bit about numbers. First of all, we have to know. What do you mean by counting numbers? You know, counting numbers, the numbers which can be counted. All natural numbers are counting numbers are called natural numbers. We are knowing natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. So before starting this, just briefly, I am going to discuss about natural number. Natural number means all counting numbers. All counting numbers जिसको आप गिन सकते हैं, है ना? All counting numbers. Example 1, 2, 3 and so on. Afterwards, you know whole number. Whole number means all counting number including 0. All counting number including 0. Now, next one is integers. Integers means 0 counting numbers together with negativity of counting numbers and so on. That is called integers. So what are rational numbers now? You are knowing from the previous classes, all counting numbers are called natural numbers. All counting numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. Integers, all counting numbers, 0 and negative of counting numbers together is called integers. Now, what are rational number? A question arises, what are rational numbers? First of all, I have told you what are rational number. So, rational number means any number in the form P by Q should define, first of all define rational number. रेशनल नंबर्स आप परिमेय संख्या किसको कहेंगे? ए नंबर दैट कैन बी रिटेन अ नंबर इन द फॉर्म P by Q or it can be expressed in the form P by Q. Either the number is in the form P by Q, or which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, that is P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0. P and Q belongs to integers. P and Q integers होंगे. अब आपको एग्जाम्पल देखिए, तो अब आपसे पूछा गया इज 0 ए रेशनल नंबर? यस, 0 कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड एज 0 by 1. 2 by 3 is a rational number. 3 is a rational number. It can be written as 3 by 1. Now, next one is how to listen. By diagram, I am going to make it clear. Suppose natural number. नेचुरल नंबर से थोड़ा बड़ा होगा होल नंबर. नेचुरल नंबर कहां से शुरू होगा? 1 2 3 एंड सो ऑन. होल नंबर कहां से शुरू होगा? होल नंबर 0 से शुरू होगा. 0 1 2 3 एंड सो ऑन. सो होल नंबर जो आपका शुरू होगा वह यहां से शुरू होगा 0 से. फिर इंटीजर्स कहां से शुरू होंगे? -1 0, है ना, 0 0 -1 -2 1 2 3 4 and so on, and rational number. So what you have seen, every whole number is a natural number, every integer is a whole number, every rational number is an integer, but every whole number is not a natural number. Every integer is not a whole number. Negative integers are not whole numbers. Every rational number are not integers. Only every rational numbers are not integers. So now next one is state whether true or false. So first of all, you know every whole number is a rational number, whether it is correct or not. Every whole number is a rational number. So just you have seen every whole number is under the rational number. Rational number is the biggest set here. So every whole number is a rational number. It is true. Now another question arises. Every rational number is an integer? False. Every rational number is not an integer. Now afterwards, let us recall how to add, subtract, multiply and divide rational number. So addition of rational number, in previous classes you have seen 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. What you are doing here? You are taking the LCM of the denominator, that is 2. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? That is 6. Now an addition, 2 3 is 6, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 2 1 is 2, 5 by 6. That is the on addition of a rational number, again you are getting a rational number. Now next operation is that subtraction. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So again you are taking LCM. To LCM of the denominator 6. After solution you are getting 1 by 6. So means addition of a rational number is a rational number. Subtraction of a rational number is a rational number. Now again multiply 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. After multiplication you will get, multiply numerator with numerator, 1 in 1 is 1, 2 3 is 6, 1 by 6. So on multiplication of rational number you are getting a rational number. Now afterwards you will divide 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 3. In division, what you have seen, on division of a rational number, again you are getting a rational number. Means in case of rational number, what you have seen means in case of either in case of addition or subtraction or multiplication or division of two rational number, then again you are getting a rational number. Means in case of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, closure property holds. What do you mean by closure property? Means on addition of two rational number you are getting a rational number, on subtraction you are getting a rational number, on multiplication of two rational number again you are getting a rational number, on division of two rational number again you are getting a rational number. Means closure property holds true for the multiplication, division, addition and subtraction of a rational number. Now afterwards, just after it, what do you mean by equivalent rational numbers? You are knowing equivalent rational number. Equivalent rational numbers, just this one is a semicircle. Again, this one is semicircle divided into two parts. 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 4 by 8, 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8. One circle is divided into two parts and first portion is taken 1 by 2. This circle is divided into 4 parts and 2 parts are taken together, 2 by 4. This circle is divided into 6 parts and 3 parts taken together, that is 3 by 6. This circle is divided into 8 parts and 4 parts taken together at a time, that is the shaded portion, 4 by 8. What you have seen, in each and every case, there is a semicircle is the shaded portion. So what you have seen, these numbers are called equivalent rational numbers. What do you mean by how to find two rational numbers? How to find rational number between any two rational numbers? Suppose 2 by 1, 5 by 1. 2 and 5, two rational numbers are given. How many rational numbers are there between 2 and 5? That is 3 and 4. 2 by 1 and 5 by 1, both are rational number. So again, between 2 and 5, there are two rational numbers, 3 and 4. 2 and 3. First of all, how to find a rational number between two numbers? To create gap between two rational numbers. Means what you have seen here, 2 and 5, there is a gap of 2, that is 3 and 4. Similarly, you have to create gap. You have to create gap between two rational numbers to write equivalent rational number. For writing any rational number between two given number, we have to create the gap. How to create the gap? Multiply 2 by 10, 2 into 10 and divide by 10. There is no change. Similarly, 3 into 10 and 1 into 10 by the denominator. Again, there is no change. What you are getting? 20 by 10 and 30 by 10. So what you have seen? You have created the gap between two numbers 2 and 3. That is, between 20 and 30, there are 9 numbers. That is 21 by 10, 22 by 10, 23 by 10, 29 by 10. So 9 numbers can be there is a gap of 9 numbers can be created between two rational numbers. Now again, a question given to you, find 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Two rational numbers are given. You have to write 10 rational numbers. Now minus 3 by 4 into 3 by 3, that is 9 by 12. First of all, you have to equalize the denominator. Denominators are different. Equalize the denominator. For that, you have to find the LCM of 4 and 6. So what you have got? 12. LCM is 12. So 9 minus 9 by 12 and 10 by 12. So both are, listen here, in both cases, both rational numbers having same denominators. So means having same denominators, then minus 9 by 12 and 10 by 12. Again, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7. Yes. Minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 by 12, 2 by 12. Like that, you will get so many rational numbers. Suppose you have to find 100 rational numbers, you have to multiply by 10. You will get 100 rational numbers. Means whatever the number of rational number you have to find between two rational number, you have to create a gap between two rational numbers. Accordingly, you will get the rational numbers required. Now next one is number line. How to write a rational, how to express or represent a rational number in a number line. You are knowing how to represent integer on a number line. 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, representing rational numbers on a number line. So what you are seeing, numerator and denominator. Rational number in the form P by Q. P is the numerator and Q is the denominator. So N by D. N is the numerator and D is the denominator. If numerator is greater than denominator, first case. Second case is that numerator is less than denominators. So listen, if numerator is greater than denominator, suppose 3 by 2, what you will find? 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 plus 0.05. Means when numerator is greater than denominator, When numerator is greater than denominator, then you will get a mixed fraction. So this number lies between 1 and 1 by 1 and 2. It is 1 by 2. It lies between 1 and 1 and 2. Similarly, if denominator is greater than numerator, second case. In second case, denominator is greater than numerator. Then whatever the value you will get, that lies between 0 to 1. That lies between 0 to 1. 2 by 3. Suppose 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 means it lies between 0 to 1. 0 to 1 and divide 0 to 1 into 3 equal parts. Now the second portion 1, 2. You will have the second one, that is 2 by 3. Means you will get 2 by 3. Here you will get 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 can be represented like this only. Now afterwards in next class I will teach you about the properties of rational number.